joining my Instagram Live. Today I'm going to be talking about YouTube Shorts, and sorry about that. I had some technical difficulties with getting onto the internet, but I'm back here on track. I wanted to talk to you today about YouTube Shorts. I've been using the platform for the past, I'd say, about month, and YouTube is an oversaturated app. I really wasn't expecting to get the views that I've been getting of consistently posting. And after about 2 or 3 weeks, probably about 2 weeks of posting, I started to see a gradual increase of the views of the videos that I share here on Reels, which are actually taken from TikTok, in the thousands, in the hundreds, and this is all organic YouTube Shorts reach. Now, the one thing I like about YouTube Shorts is you can be a small creator, you can have a big organization, you can be a mom blogger, and literally put really interesting videos on the platform and people will watch them. I don't get too many comments. I get comments here and there, but people are engaging with my posts with likes, and I wanted to be able to share some of my tips and advice that have helped me create really great YouTube Shorts videos. So first and foremost, you know me as Yeg Marketer. I have been in business for 7 years, helping brands with marketing strategy and creating content, and it comes from website content to business plans, marketing plans, social media posts, graphic design, etc. And I usually gauge the topics that I'm going to share on YouTube Shorts based on what I know is something that somebody would have to research or someone would have to do Google to find the information. And I try my best to make my videos nice and bright, whether it's wearing bright clothing or actually having a green screen, which I take from TikTok filter, and putting something bright in the background, or wearing a nice bright red hat or something like that to really grab people's attention when they're on YouTube Shorts or when they're on YouTube on the mobile and they're scrolling through the app and they see my video. One thing I always like to say too, in I would say all the short video formats, whether it's Instagram Reels or TikTok or YouTube Shorts, is you want to say the least in 15 seconds, and you want to share your topic immediately within the first 2 to 5 seconds of your video. And you want to have inflection in your voice, excitement, enthusiasm, and really be excited about the fact that you are showing up and sharing your video and people are watching. Another thing that I want to recommend, especially if you're sharing your TikTok and Reels videos on YouTube Shorts, is always have a call to action. So that could be, take for example, the colors, marketing colors. I was thinking about that. I had a long time ago, I did this writing course online, and it talked about the psychology of words and call to action. But as a marketer, we also understand that there is psychology of colors. And I decided to do a 2-part series, a third one, which I will most likely film this weekend, and shared it here with you, downloaded it from Instagram Reels, because I love the fact that Instagram Reels has the watermark at the bottom of the video. So if you're going to use YouTube Shorts and take some of your Instagram Reels videos, make sure you're creating them on TikTok, putting them on Reels. I highly recommend that you take the video from Reels, because it'll have your Instagram sign and your ID, and put that on YouTube Shorts. There's nothing wrong with the TikTok watermark, but I find it's a little smaller. And for the people who wear glasses or whatever the case may be, the Instagram logo might be a little bit more effective for you than what you see on your TikTok videos. So you always want to have a call to action in your YouTube Shorts videos, whether you're telling people to subscribe to watch the next part 2 or part 3, or follow for more information, or let me know in the comments what you think, or like if you enjoyed watching this video. Just like most of the YouTube videos that you watch, you definitely want to have a call to action. I highly recommend that you actually say, subscribe, versus just having a caption or a subtitle telling people to subscribe. It just makes it much more impactful when, yes, they see the caption, if that's what you're going to decide to do, plus they hear you say subscribe to my YouTube channel to watch more YouTube Shorts videos or for longer videos. And the one thing I like about YouTube Shorts is all of these views are organic. I have been seeing an organic increase of subscribers, not in the thousands, but I'm noticing that there's a correlation between my YouTube Shorts videos and the uptick of some new subscribers that I've been getting. And in addition to that, this is just my little YouTube tip and advice. I actually follow some of the top inspirational speakers as well as marketers. And what I do is I'm subscribed to their channel, so I usually notice that they all kind of post the same. For example, if I'm following about 6 different major brands or 6 different major influencers, I notice that 3 out of the 6, they all post at the same time. So what I do is I check my YouTube subscribers to see which big brands posted, and I post around the same time that they post. So that's a really good trick. And I do not use location tag on these videos, because you can actually go into your video, I believe, and you can edit it, put location tag and alt text. But I actually just film it. I put the video on public. I put a caption. Usually the first part of the caption, I like to put uppercase letters in the first word, and then a colon, and then a little sentence just to grab people's attention. And that has been helping me. I think my best YouTube Shorts video hit over 3,000 views. But if you check out my YouTube channel and you click on the video tab, you'll see that my videos are in the thousands. Now, for all the impatient people that are listening to this, you want to be patient, because you might put up a video today, and then on Sunday, you'll see an uptick in the thousands, the hundreds, or the 100,000s, or the millions, whatever amount of success that you get. So it's a little bit of a slow reach. And then as the weeks go by, you'll notice that more people will like and watch or leave comments, so on and so forth. Video tips for YouTube Shorts. As I say on Instagram Reels, transitions, different scenes, some acting scenes, the education, inspiration, and motivation. You can do product mentions, but I'm not exactly sure how the music incorporation will apply to that. In addition to that, you also just want to make sure that you are constantly posting. I remember the past 2 weeks, this week was super busy for me. I have some new clients that I had to take on, but last 2 weeks I was posting, if not every day, every other day. So you have to kind of be consistent with it. And as you have your videos on the download folder or whatever folder of your phone, I find that this process of YouTube Shorts is actually easier to upload a video than it is to upload a regular video, a longer video. And don't miss out on this opportunity. I have no idea where this YouTube Shorts track of success is going to lead me and my page and subscribers, but I'm going to continue to use it. I feel very, very excited and proud about the progress and the success that I've been getting. The fact that most of my videos are in the high hundreds or mostly in the thousands makes me feel really excited, because I'm not just putting something out there and only my subscribers are seeing it. I'm putting something out there, and the YouTube algorithm is pushing it to people to see it, and people are watching it because they're bite-sized videos. I also put the video that I shared of my vegetarian meal, I put that on my channel. So have a mix, do the product stuff or the services stuff, and then have some behind the scenes and things that you're doing in your kitchen these days, if you're cooking or if you're playing golf or wherever you are in the world. And also have the skits and the business and the personal branding aspect of it. And really do your best to just mix up your videos and make it fun and exciting and entertaining, and create a series of videos that people appreciate and will watch and will share. And I think as a result of that, you'll get the thousands, if not the hundreds. But again, as I said, I've been using YouTube Shorts and uploading videos for a month now. And the first 2 weeks, it was kind of quiet, but I said to myself, I am ambitious, I am young, I'm going to put out these videos and just see how it goes. And then the next thing you know, 3 or 4 weeks after that, I just started seeing an uptick in my videos, and I was super proud of myself as a result. So basically, again, I'll do a recap. Your YouTube Shorts videos, it's just a great way of repurposing content, meaning if you're creating videos on Instagram Reels, if you're creating videos on your TikTok, you can literally take those videos and put them on YouTube Shorts. I highly recommend no more than 15-second videos. I think that's the way it works anyways. I could be wrong. But try to make your videos really, really short. 15 seconds or less. No less than 6-second videos. The 15-second videos are things that children can watch and adults can watch. Always have a call to action at the end of every video. Make your videos personal. Have some behind the scenes. What are you doing in your kitchen? Do you have any house hacks? Try to have that personal touch to your videos so that you might attract a whole new audience because you're a pescatarian or a vegetarian, or you have a very interesting set of foods that you like to eat in addition to. Sorry, somebody's staring through my window and just trying to, sorry guys, someone's staring through my window. And yeah, so just make sure that you have a mix of content, business related, motivational related, skits, and this is going to be from your own content. And of course, if you're going to, get inspiration from somebody, hi, Money. You definitely want to make sure that you are giving credit to the people in your YouTube Shorts video. But I think that this is a great opportunity for you to get new subscribers and get new views. I don't know if the YouTube Shorts is going to be, it kind of feels like YouTube 20 years ago, where people just got on it and they got thousands of views. I mean, even my long videos don't get the amount of thousands of views that I do get on my shorts. So I don't know where this YouTube Shorts thing is going to go. It could take people into becoming YouTube influencers just from their short videos. And it's also a great way to create videos and say stuff like, if you want to watch more, follow me on Instagram because I've got more short videos, or follow me on TikTok. But again, treat your YouTube Shorts videos like you would your long videos. Always inspire people to subscribe to your channel. Always inspire people to check out your website at the end of every video. Hi, thanks for joining, Paul. Have a really good, strong beginning of your YouTube Shorts video. Make sure that within the first 2 to 5 seconds, you let people know why you're doing the video. In the middle, try not to give everything away in the beginning of your video. Thank you, Paul. And try to make your videos fun and exciting. So I know Paul is an artist. I'm not sure if you're on YouTube, but with YouTube Shorts, I was explaining earlier that there's a lot of good reach. I've been using it for a month. And after about 2 weeks, I'd say that most of my videos are, if they're not hitting the high hundreds, they're hitting 2,000, 3,000, and I'm not paying for ads on YouTube. And it's really unheard of on YouTube to get that kind of reach, especially if you are not filming like several videos a week. But jump on the YouTube Shorts train. You never know, you can get more subscribers. You can inspire people to come out just by showing a video of an upcoming event that you've got going. You can get them to plug into your blog or your newsletter and just get some excitement going for them to for them to follow you on other platforms like Instagram, to check out your business journey, get more inspiration, tips and advice. I haven't been following YouTube. Yeah, I know it's not for everybody, but I pretty much take some of my Instagram Reels videos and I put them on YouTube Shorts, and the reach is pretty good. But it's an opportunity for everybody to kind of win. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload this video on my video here on Instagram. And if you have any questions, let me know. I haven't quite figured out a topic for next week, but I'm sure something is going to come up soon. So thank you so much for joining, Paul. I know you're I believe you're in Nigeria.